What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Car Venture Reg, and welcome back to another video. Now, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm extremely excited right now. We're getting ready to pick up the Q50. I know you guys see the title on the thumbnail, man. It's finally that time. It's finally that time to get this thing on the streets, drive it, you know what I'm saying? But we got one problem with the Q50 that we must take care of very, very soon. While I was in the shop, everything went good with the VR swap. Went perfect, and I'll explain what else we did with the car too as soon as we get the car. But the one thing that is cause for concern right now is the catalytic converters. Both of them are pretty much done, so I'm gonna have to get some catalytic converters for that thing. I don't know if I want to go on marketplace and get it used, or do I want to go to the dealership and get it new. I'm not too sure. You know, you guys will find out very, very soon. But it's not about that. Today is a happy day. Today is really taking delivery of the Q50, you know what I'm saying? Even though I already took delivery of it, but I never really got a chance to drive it. This is gonna be my first time driving it, at least over an hour, you know, of driving, because the shop is about an hour away from here, and I'm about to get on Uber right now to go head that way. But yeah, man, it's that time, man. I'm really excited. I'm so happy. I don't want to do too much talking in the beginning of the video, so let's just go ahead and get into the video. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, man, the Q right here, all done, ready for this thing to go home, man. Woo, first drive, finna be real. It's finna be real. Oh, it look like they kind of cleaned it up too. They don't even look dirty. Okay, nice. Shout out to them. All right, y'all. First drive in the Q50, man. Let's get it. Finally, the time has come. We finally finna mob this thing, boy. We got like a hour and 38-minute drive, man. So let's get to it. Hey, hold on. Hold on, man. Hold on. This VR trans, boy, something else. Hey, hold on. Let me do a pull real quick. Hold on. Let's throw it in sport mode, though. Let's throw it in sport mode. Gosh. Hey, hold on, boy, this thing is crazy. Hey. Hey, if you don't got a VR trans, bro, I'm not even gonna lie, you gonna have to go ahead and get one, man. If you got a G37 and you thinking about getting one, I'm telling you right now, go get one. It's worth the money. I am telling you right now, it is worth the money. How the way this thing feels compared to a 3.7, because y'all know I had a G37. So compared to how the way this thing feels compared to the G37, oh my goodness, it's night and day. It's night and day. Oh my gosh, this is night and day. Oh, I missed the red match. Oh, I missed the red match. I missed the red match. Oh, I missed the red match. Let's go. Oh my gosh, no way. Wow, this is crazy. Now this is what it's all about right here, man. This is what it's all about, man. I'm so happy right now, man. I don't know what to do, bro. Like, damn, man. Like, if y'all would have known my journey, man, of what happened, you know, in 2023 to where I'm at right now, and obviously just sitting in the Q50 right now, man, y'all would be like, wow. You know what I'm saying? And bro, this is amazing, man. I just want to thank God, man, real quick, you know what I'm saying, for just making this all possible. You know what I'm saying? This is just a huge blessing. And I know a lot of people may be viewing like, bro, you're in a Q50, but like I said, if you would have known what I've been through in 2023, you will understand. But I just want to go ahead and shout out a couple of people, man. I want to go ahead and shout out my boy JJ, man, for selling me this car. I believe he was in a little glimpse in the first video. That's why I bought the car for it. I mean, that's who I bought the car from. So I want to shout you out, man. Thank you. If you're watching this video, man, thank you. I really do appreciate it, man. Promise that the car is going to be well taken care of. I want to shout out to my brother Beater Growth, man. Man, you already know. You already know how we rocking, man. You my brother. I definitely appreciate you. Thank you for everything that you do, man. I really do appreciate you. But yeah, man, this is crazy, bro. This is crazy. I missed it. Oh, I miss being a VHR. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I'm gonna get out this car today. I don't know if I'm gonna get out this car today, y'all, man. I might be road running for real. Oh man, this is amazing. This is amazing right here. This is what life is all about. This is what life is all about, man. It's amazing. Okay, now we on the freeway with it. The sun in my eye a little bit. And I'm gonna do a whole video. I don't want to do the paddle shifters yet. You know, I want to save it because I want to do a video first time, you know, using the paddle shifters. So oh my gosh, y'all gotta get a VR, bro. This is a night and day difference, bro. Like, the car feels a lot better, bro, and it brings the, bro, it brings, bro, this on a whole nother level, bro. It's on a whole nother level right now, bro. It's on a whole nother level. I can't even describe it, bro, but this thing feels so different. This really wakes the beast up with this 3.7 motor, because y'all know that the 3.7 transmissions are very laggy. So it definitely wakes it up. Yeah. A hundo. Oh man, this is whoo. I don't even know what to say right now. Honestly, I really don't know what to say right now. I really don't know what to say. This is, and by the way, today is my birthday. I'm filming this video on my birthday, so this is a big birthday present to myself. I'm just so happy right now, man. I'm so happy right now. Just literally just smiling from ear to ear. I had this car in November. I'm finally driving it January 4th, man. So on my birthday. So nice day, man. Nice day. Back in the VHR. Now we can finally start rolling out some content, man. I'm finna go, it's probably gonna be too late today, but I'm gonna go ahead and film some content with this car tomorrow. Definitely gonna be talking about my plans, so that might be the next video after this. So yeah, this actually, the my plans video will be after this, so definitely stay tuned onto that video, because I'm gonna be discussing everything that I'm gonna be doing with this Q50. I ain't gonna lie though, with the catalytic converter, depending on if I have to pay for it or not, because they didn't even use that valve body. This is the VR valve body, you know what I'm saying? So they didn't have to use that, and on a receipt it says I can't return it, but I'm gonna see if I could like get like in-store credit and just use that to get the cats. So hopefully they'll let me do that. If they don't, then I'm gonna just probably sell it on OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace. Somebody's gonna need a valve body, so I'm not tripping about that. Damn, you got this dude driving crazy. Yeah, you gotta watch out for people like that. I got messed up cars. Stay away from me. You don't want that smoke. But I'm about to go to the dealership right now. Well, hopefully if I have time, I want to take pictures and stuff real quick because it's my birthday. So I just want to take a quick little picture in front of the whip, post it on the gram or whatever. If I have to pay for the cats, it kind of it's gonna put me back some, because cats are very expensive. And like I said, I could go the used route, but I don't know if I want to go the used route, or I could go brand new and just go to the dealership, pay for new cats. I even thought about getting the what is it, high flow cats, but Man, out here in California it's so strict, and I gotta smoke my car this year. Actually, I gotta smoke my car like tomorrow because I gotta finish the registration process. So, but yeah, with the cats, it's gonna throw me off if I gotta pay for it, because cats are very, very expensive. So, but I'm gonna still build the car no matter what, you know what I'm saying? But the extra money that I did have, I didn't plan on buying cats. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do to keep the car running. That's the most important thing. I'm gonna go ahead and get off the camera and just kind of just enjoy the whip right now. I'll hop back on the camera probably as I get close to my destination, and we'll go ahead and wrap the video up. Just want to have some time just to enjoy the whip, listen to some music, kick back, you know what I'm saying? I'll get back with y'all in just a second. All right, y'all, I had my little fun off camera, you know what I'm saying, listening to the music, just vibing and stuff, but I'm speechless. I ain't gonna lie, I'm speechless, man. Off of my first impression of the transmission, it's way more of an aggressive shift than the regular 3.7 trans, and it's a lot quicker than the 3.7 trans, and it seems like it's a little bit more torquier with this transmission. Now, I don't know if I'm tripping, but it does have a bigger torque converter, so I don't know if that has anything to do with anything, but it feels a little torquier. But the trans feels really, really, really good. If you were thinking about getting a VR trans, get it. I'm telling you, get it. It would definitely change your driving experience in your G or Q50. You know what I'm saying? If you have a 3.7 motor, it's gonna bring the full potential out of it. So I definitely say get it. Probably one of the best investments that I did. I'm glad I didn't go ahead and just get a regular 3.7 trans and call it a day. I'm glad I went this route. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. More videos to come with this VR swap. The more I get to drive it, the more I'll give you guys information on the review, all of that. So definitely expect all of that. Got a lot of videos coming. Definitely stay tuned. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.